Hi everyone! I'm Naomi Sachi Paglinawan and I've just completed my journey as an internal relations intern here at Tikim. If I had to describe this experience in one word, it would be resilient. It wasn't always easy, but it was incredibly rewarding. Looking back, three moments really stand out to me. First, the database challenge. Building a global database was tough. Dealing with language barriers and hard to find info really tested my patience. Second, the time zone hustle. There were mornings I couldn't even cook breakfast because I had to be ready for sessions in a different time zone. It was literal wake-up call to the world of internal relations. But third, and most importantly, the people. Whether it was struggling through marketing materials or dividing into website coding, which was surprisingly fun, having the guidance of my supervisor and the marketing head and my fellow interns made the hard work feel like a win. Through this, I discovered a strength I never knew I had, a relentless eagerness to learn. I found myself using every spare second to sharpen my technical skills. I also faced my weaknesses head on, being forced to speak English since Tagalog wasn't an option greatly boosted my communication confidence. I also learned that going it alone isn't always the best way. I realized that asking the right questions is the key to getting the right answers. If you're a student looking for an internship that actually prepares you for the global stage, choose TKIM. You'll learn time management, technical skills, and how to work across borders. I want to say a huge thank you to my school, CFA, for this opportunity, and to my parents for supporting me through those late night, early morning shifts. To my IR team and supervisors, thank you for the mentorship that made this unforgettable. I'm leaving Tikim with a better version of myself. Thanks for watching.